Hey, what up? What is it, pretty people? So in today's video, we're going to be unboxing this Temu package that just arrived at my doorstep like 10 seconds ago. If you don't know me, my name is Gift, and welcome. If you're new, welcome back. If you're a returning subscriber. So the reason why I have this package here is because I am doing an office makeover. As you can see, like it's going well. So this package is supposed to be part of that, but I thought, why not just make a separate video unboxing it and then just including everything in that video. But I'm going to fast forward it in that video. So like this is just going to be a more detailed, like I'm going to talk about everything. So first of all, let me just say that this package, all of it was 200 rand. Yes, it was 200. It was exactly 200 rand. It was supposed to arrive on the 21st of May. Today is the 24th of May, so it's 4 days late, which is okay because I don't really mind, but I was hoping it would arrive like earlier, but it's okay. What else? I did not pay customs at all. I think it's because like it's not at all heavy, so I did not pay customs at all. Also, yeah, I think that's pretty much it. So without further ado, let's get into this video. So the first thing we're going to be unboxing is this 4-piece set of scrunchies. So we have this black one first with black bows. As you can see, it has black bows. And we have this certain type of material. It's certain, like I think it's a cream or a off-white color with black polka dots, and it has this black detail on the sides, which I think it's very cute. And then I also have this gray one with black polka dots. It's just a dark gray one with black polka dots. And I also have this gray one with bows in it, like I have the black bows. Also, I'm going to link everything, or I don't know, put the codes like in the screen, or I'm going to link everything in the description down below if you want to get any of this. So next thing is, oh, I got like a pink stand for my headsets. So it comes with this piece, which is the top, the middle, and the back, the bottom. Actually, yes, and the bottom. So should I like do it right now? I'm just gonna insert the picture of how it's supposed to look like right here. I'm going to be assembling it in the video for the makeover and stuff. So yeah, I also bought this. Ooh, this is so nice. I also bought this roller coaster. Is it a roller coaster? I don't know. I think it's written somewhere here. I don't know. I think... No, I think they're just coasters. Yeah. They're definitely just coasters. They are not roller coasters at all. So here they are. Oh, they look like little mats. Like, isn't this cute? I feel like my office is looking pretty much the way I want it to be, because I'm really a pink girly, so like I love having pink stuff. So I think this is pretty. Here's this one, also this one, and they're just the same. There's nothing different about them. So okay. Oh, I think these are my straws. I can't wait to marry you. Okay, let's get this job done, okay? I hope I don't break them. This is how they come, and they come really wrapped, which I love. I love that they come really protected. So here it is. I almost got a heart attack. Damn. Okay. So it comes with a cleaning tool. Like, you just... I know you know what this is. Okay, I know you know what this is. So it comes with this cleaning tool here. Ooh. And then the straws. They come so well protected. And I love that. Look at this beauty. This is generally so pretty. And it's glass. It's real glass. It's not like acrylic or anything. It's glass. There's this one. And then there's this one too. And there's not much difference to them also. Just these cute ones. Oh, I'm gonna be drinking my coffee so much. I think I'm gonna buy an aesthetic cup too, since I know like it comes well packed. I trust them now, but like, so I'm just gonna buy a cup. Okay, so this is how they come. I also have this double-sided things for me to put up, like this thing, because I need to put it up there, and using press stick does not work, like it falls. So I had to find another way, and this is the way. So it comes in a pack of 8 pieces. Okay. Oh no. Okay, so it comes in this, like, this is supposed to be one side, and then this one is the other side, where you just like put them together. So then you put, like, you remove the white cover here, the protector, and you just put it against the wall, and then this one you put it on the thing, on the frame, or whatever you're going to put up. So this is this. Your final thing. I hope this works, because if it doesn't, I'm gonna cry. Like, I'm generally gonna cry. So okay, so this is a sunset lamp, but this one I think it has 16 colors because I didn't want to stick to one only, so I just got this one. So it comes with the cave with the thingy. Oh, this is so pretty. Like, so it comes with the lamp, the sunset lamp, and the cable is also pretty long. Let's see how long it is. Yes, the cable is pretty long. It's decent. It's a decent length. It's pretty cool. I like it. So it comes with the lamp. It also comes with instructions, I guess. Yes, it comes with instructions in different languages. And it comes with the remote. Bless me. So it comes with the remotes. This is how the remote looks like. And I like it. So this is the whole thing. Like, I think this is pretty. It is so pretty. So yeah, guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share the video with your friends, family, your enemies, and whoever you want to share it with. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Like, please tell me why no one ever told me that vlogging and creating YouTube content would be so difficult. Like, I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm just doing because I want to do it, you know.